ChatGPT, its abbreviation is Pre-trained Transformer. The definition of the ChatGPT is it's a computer program, a website of language model based on artificial intelligence and machine learning computer technology. It's launched by OpenAI company in November 2022. It's very beneficial and amazing technology of 2022. Everyone from every field of life can be benefited from this technology. Now discussing the functions of ChatGPT are different. We moving and explaining functions of ChatGPT one by one. Basically, ChatGPT is computer machine learning model that generate human-like text. If we write some topic in ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT write application on this, ChatGPT will automatically write everything you want, application, letter, description, and more about that topic you like to know. It's very important technology for students and professional peoples from every field to use this ChatGPT technology. It is very easy. You can run in 1 minute. One ChatGPT generate amazing content on every topic. You must try ChatGPT and find this technology amazing for your field. Point 2 question and answering. You asked questions from ChatGPT, it will be answering you like an expert human being. Point 3 language generation. ChatGPT generate language automatically. You enter 2 words about a topic, ChatGPT will explain and generate you the related content in amazing way. ChatGPT also translate different languages and also summarization of any topic very quickly and in unique professional way. Simple, go in Google, type chat.openai and open, then click on try ChatGPT below. In that website, sign up and log in, then type in chat box below everything you want to explore and get knowledge and information. Please subscribe channel. Thank you.